Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to make a zombie King Kong. Now to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right up here and I'm going to draw a little line that just goes down and it's going to curve up and down. And then I'll make another one here. It just goes down and it's going to curve up and down. Now starting right here, I'm going to make a little line that just kind of curves around and comes up. And then this one, I'm actually just going to draw a big line that curves around here. Now for the nose, I'm going to draw a line that goes up and then up and then down here. Then we'll make a little line that just kind of goes down and back up for the inside of the nose. Now starting right here, we're going to draw two little lines that just curve down. And then I'm going to draw a little line that goes up. I'm going to put a little point right here and then curve it back down. Now I want to make Kong's teeth. So I'm going to draw some sharp teeth in here on each side. Then I'm going to draw some little smaller teeth in between here. Next for the mouth, I'm going to draw a line that goes down on each side. I'm going to draw two little pointy fangs at the bottom, and then we're going to put some kind of rounded teeth in here for the mouth. Draw a little line that curves around. We'll make another one for the lip, and I'm going to draw a little line that goes down like this. Then I'm just going to make a little line that goes down and then up for the chin. Now right here, we're going to make a line that goes up and down. And then I'm going to make one right here that just goes really close to here. Starting here, we're going to make a little line that goes around. And then I'm just going to add some little kind of pointy curved lines for some hair. Draw a line that goes out and then kind of comes back in. We'll add a little ear here too. Over here, I'm just going to make a line that goes down. I'm going to add a few zigzags. A little line that curves out and then comes in. He's also going to have a line that goes around and comes in here. A little line there. Now for right here, I'm just going to make a little line that's going to curve around. Got another little line in there. Make this a little bigger. And I'm just going to color this in here, kind of like you see part of a skull. Add a little line that kind of curves around there. A couple little lines in here. Now starting here, just going to draw a couple little lines down for shoulders. Draw a little line down here that goes down and it's going to come around and up. Do one over here that goes down, around, and up for his chest. We'll add another little line right here. And I'm going to add some little pointy lines that curve up and down. Some more right there. And we'll bring this down a little bit. Then right here, we're going to add a few more little pointy lines for some fur. And then I'm going to make just some kind of big, long zigzag lines right here. Then they're going to come down. And it's going to go right around to here. Now, starting here, we're going to draw some more lines going down. And then I'm going to start right here. We're going to draw another little line that just kind of curves down. And I'm going to continue this down, add some more little lines right here. Then starting right here, we're going to draw a little line that goes down and it's going to come up to there. Now I want it to look like you can see some bones here, so we're going to draw 2 lines up here and then 2 lines right here. I'm going to add some kind of zigzag lines right around here. You want to make a little rectangular shape with kind of curved corners for a thumb. Make another kind of one of these kind of rectangular shapes up here. And we're going to add 4 more of them on here. Make some of these kind of different sizes for the different fingers. Add a little line right down here. I'm going to make this go down a little more. Now right here I'm going to make kind of like a jagged little line. I'm going to make a line that goes out and then it's going to curve in. I'm going to add just a little bit of like some wavy lines coming down here. And then for some ribs, we're going to draw a line that goes in like this. And then I'll add another one here. Make another one come out here. Then add a little curved line in there. Make another one go out and come in. A little curved line up. And then I'll make one more that goes down and up. Just like this. Then I'm going to add a little bit of like some fur line right here. And we're going to run it right back up to here. Add some more little lines here. Now, starting right here, we're going to add some little fur lines that come around and down. I'm going to add a little line that goes down and curves up. One more down and up. One more here. I'm just going to add another little small one right there. Now I'm going to bring this around. I'm going to curve it for his little toe. I'm going to bring a line that goes up. And then a little line right here. Put another one there. Now, starting over here, we're just going to draw a little line that just kind of comes down. I'm going to draw a little foot that goes back like this. Line that's going to curve down and up. One more here. One here, and then one kind of sticking off. Going to make a little line that's just going to curve around. This one's going to curve up and just go over. Now right here I want it to be like his hands kind of coming at you, so I'm just going to draw a little line that's going to curve around like this. We'll make a line that's going to go up. It's going to curve around to here. We'll make another one that does the same thing. One more right there. A little line down for the finger. And then we're going to make one more that comes down. Draw a line that curves up, and then one more here. And we'll add some little lines down. Some little zigzag lines for some fur, and then some right there. I'm going to add some more zigzag lines back down here. And then just for some extra little details, I'll make some little random spots in here. So I might make a little kind of zigzag line right here, so there might be some skin or something missing. We'll add, kind of the same thing here, some little zigzag lines. We'll make like a big kind of chunk taken out here. You can see some more of the bones in here. Add some little details on there. So just for some details, we'll add like a fingernail here, some little lines on each one of these for the knuckles and stuff. Some little lines on the bones. Put 2 on this one. I'm going to add just like a little curved fingernail on some of these. And then we'll add some extra little lines all over. add some little kind of spots taken out of here. Maybe some more spots up here. Got some little texture like muscle and stuff is in there. Some extra little lines. We'll add some little spots kind of all over the body. Maybe a little line or two up here. A couple lines for the tongue. Add a few little kind of spots taken out here on the leg. Maybe we see some curved lines for like some leg bones or something in here, like where the knee would be. Some little curved lines for feet, some little extra detail lines on the toes. Some little toenails here. Then just some quick little extra fur lines. I don't like adding a lot of lines with the hair. I'd rather color those in with the marker. We can just put a few little lines around here. Some little lines on the face. Some extra little lines on the chest. And there's lots of other details you could add on here. I'm just going to kind of keep this simple right now. But there you go. There is your drawing of a zombie Kong. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.